while I think NICO Hulkenberg will get a new contract with Haas, I wouldn't put it past Red Bull to replace Sergio Perez with NICO Hulkenberg. As I said many times before, I think he would be the perfect match for Max Verstappen, as I said many times before, and I think he would be able to pick up the pieces when Verstappen manages not to do it. So I urge Red Bull to really think long and hard about NICO Hulkenberg if they indeed do decide to replace Sergio Perez. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. It will really help the channel out. Yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Cheers guys, bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.